like creating the pod and those all things. Okay,
Yes, pod I have created.
you created the pod. Okay. Yeah. Yes, storage.
What is the difference between kubectl apply and kubectl create?
Both are same only.
Think like same.
See, while means creating the pod, you can use the create or you can use the apply. Both you can use. Both are the same only.
So why two commands they have given?
See, there is two word only. Okay, one is create and one is apply. So sometimes, uh, like see, what will happen now? Mm, sometimes you make the changes. Okay, you want to edit the deployment file in the from the backend. Okay,
Okay.
so at that time you are using the edit command is there. Okay, one more command is edit. So generally, if you will see create and apply, there is no any difference. Only for creating the code only, no difference. Okay, that's why I have written. I think or
Yes,
okay.
yes, sir. There is no any difference. So that's what
Uh,
I'm just asking that if there is no any difference, then why they have just written two words, create and
see, one person also name having like your name is like Nandita and maybe your home name. So yeah, so
yes,
you can understand like that.
yeah, got it.
So today I have to start. Okay, okay. I will see this server. Okay, worker mode 2 is fine. And worker mode 1 is fine. There is some problem with. Okay, master mode. Yeah, now it's can. So yesterday, little bit I think I explained about the namespace, right? Or did I explain or not?
Yes, you said that we will create namespace to identify
Mhm.
that which all the resources, like in the particular type of resources, we will kept inside one namespace.
Correct, correct. Okay, 1 minute. तो भी वजह सोफिया सोफिया दूल्हा करना और खाली डाल दिया हाँ तो थोड़े साथ से दूल्हा करना है फिर मैं yes. Okay. Nandita, you are explaining something, right? About the namespace. So, can you repeat again?
Yes, namespace is used to organize or manage resources.
Hmm.
That's all.
Resources or means application.
Yeah, like within application, what are the kinds of things are there we can keep inside one namespace?
See, if you will draw one structure, um, main space. Okay. Hmm. See, if you will see, like in suppose this is your organization. Okay. Suppose um, suppose this is your company. Like suppose this is um, TCS. Okay. This company is TCS. Now in TCS, suppose so many project. Okay. Like multiple project. Okay. Like mm, in TCS, like so many projects, we can Air Force. Okay. Now, suppose Air Force is a client. Okay, and one more client I will take here. Air Force, mm, Air Force, and suppose this one what we are calling. Suppose UDI. Okay, UDI. So now in Air Force, okay, in Air Force, one project is there. Okay, Air Force is a project. Okay, now this Air Force have like multiple service. Okay, for the Air Force, whatever the Air Force. Okay, so this may have like a number of application. Okay, maybe have one application, one, suppose this one is one microservice. This one is what? One microservice. Okay, this is what? Microservice. Microservice. This is one microservice. Okay, and suppose one more microservice. One more microservice. One more microservice. One more microservice. Okay, these all are a microservice. Okay, and maybe this one is these all are microservice. Okay, suppose whatever I taken on the top, this is for the registration. Okay, registration, and this one is for reputation. like recruitment team also will be available, right? For the airports, new hiring will be there, right? So uh, one more microservice is there, recruitment. Okay, and suppose application form will be there. So this will be like um, this one is for like payment service. Okay, and so on. Okay, now airports having these many applications. Okay, these many microservice. Okay, these many microservice. This microservice you can call as a application. Okay, microservice means a small service. Okay, microservice means a small service. This means this have facility. Okay, like see, this is the registration page. Suppose one registration page is there. Okay, now suppose if you will open airport. Okay, I don't know the airport site also. Airforce.com. Okay. Okay, what they are asking. I don't know this one different site. Air Force India, right? Indian Air Force. Yes. See, this is the home page of Indian Air Force. Okay. So now, if you will see here home page, okay, home page, and here make in India. If you will click, this will go to the other page. See, this this goes to the other page, and here some different facilities are available. Okay, IF test facilities. Okay, this page now open. So now if you will talk about the Air Force, so with the help of multiple microservices, okay, one page, this is the main page, okay, this home page is the main page, okay, and including these all microservices, with the help of these all microservices, this page will work, right? So now if you will see now if you will see similar kind, so many microservice will be available. Okay, so now Air Force is one client. Okay, so this one having multiple microservice. So now what we will do, okay, we will create one namespace. Okay, what we will do, we will create one namespace. Okay, suppose this is the namespace. This namespace is suppose whatever the registration page, suppose, okay, registration, okay, maybe in registration so many microservice will be available. Okay, like registration micro. Okay, and maybe like um, document verification while registration, maybe document verification is required. So maybe one more microservice is there, like document verification. Verification. Okay, so similarly, okay, this is the namespace. Okay, this is the namespace. Inside this namespace, regarding registration, whatever the microservice we required, okay, you can keep inside registration namespace. Okay, now suppose one more namespace is available. Okay, suppose we have one more namespace. Okay, required for the one more namespace. Okay, suppose this namespace name is what for mm, payment. Okay, payment. So payment also having multiple, like credit card payment, Okay, Paytm, Phone Pay. Okay, phone pay is available, means credit card, phone pay, debit card. This might be like service. Okay, so now what we will do, we are filtering. Okay, what we are doing, we are doing the filtration. Okay, we are filtering according to the namespace, that this inside this name uh, related to the registration only application will be available in this folder. Okay, so this act as a folder only. Okay, now what will happen, come to the, okay, now come to this page. Okay, see, I have created understand this one now. See, here I have taken log stage a namespace. Okay, this is the namespace. Okay, this is the, this white color you are able to see, right? This is the log stage namespace. Okay, and here one more namespace is available. I have created two namespace. One is log stage and another one is log production namespace. Okay, log production namespace. Now here nginx is the pod. Okay, this is what, pod. This is pod. Pod may be um, one application, maybe two three pod can be, right, guys? One application may be,
So
right?
with the same name, multiple codes we can create.
Sorry.
Here you have written the same name. Nginx, Nginx, Nginx.
This is the pod name. Okay, no, like see, pod ID is there. Okay, all pod having a different ID. Okay, I will show you. Okay, suppose, see, one application, whenever you are going to create one application, so maybe have two, three replica, right?
Yes.
Can be two, three replica. Two, three replica means two, three pod. One application maybe two, three pod required according to the traffic, right? According to the heat. If one application is more usable, right? So we required more pod, right? So here, suppose one Nginx application, okay. So this one having three pod, okay. Now this pod having service, okay. We will create service also, okay. I will explain it, okay. One more time I will come here, okay. One more time I will come here, but before starting or explaining those all things, I will try to explain this figure, okay, so that whatever I will explain, maybe you guys will get easily. Okay, so see, this is the pod. Okay, pod, this is the pod, and pod having service. Okay, pod having service. Okay, now here this is the first namespace. Okay, one namespace, and here one more namespace is log prod. Okay, so now this one, inside this namespace, one pod we have created for one application, three pod we have created. Now here is different namespace. Okay, here also we have created the same application. Okay, same application in the different namespace. Okay, in the different namespace. Now this one also having one service. Okay, one service. Now pod from this namespace. Okay, whatever the pod is available inside this namespace. Okay, this is the application pod of this namespace. Okay, log stage, and this one is the pod of this namespace. Okay, log production. Now if this pod wants to talk with this one, okay, this pod this port try to communicate with this port. Okay, this will communicate with the help of IP address. How IP address? I already explained that each port having their own IP address, right? Is it correct?
Yes, right, right.
Okay, so inside this namespace, okay, inside this namespace, whatever the port is available will talk with another namespace port with the help of IP. Okay, I will show you this communication. Okay, by the hitting. Okay, now in now this port having one service. Okay, service. So now suppose this is the Air Force application. Okay, now suppose uh, here make in India. Okay, let's open some other application. Okay, um, Amazon or Flipkart we can open, will be more clear, or Hotstar. Hotstar. Now see, this is the home page. Okay, this is movie. Okay, this is a sport. These all are what? These all are the application. Okay, for the movies he have one different folder. Okay, now what will happen? Sometimes movies, when you are going to purchase movies, okay, suppose you want to purchase one movie. Okay, so what will happen when you click on this one? Okay, suppose any movies came here. Okay, suppose this movie you want to watch, and if you will click on this one, this page will go to the payment gateway. Okay, now come to the TV serial. Okay, now one TV serial you want to purchase. Okay, like Mahabharat. Okay, so now this will also go to a payment page. Okay, here two applications are using the same service, right? Same payment service. So now here what will happen? Now here what will happen? This service, suppose this is the application. Okay, now maybe this service required for this application. Okay, for this application, but what will happen? Service do not have the IP address. Okay, whatever the service will create for the engine export, there is no IP address assigned for the service. Okay, so later we will talk about the load balancer also. Okay, load balancer. Okay, that we will talk later. So for the now purpose, what will happen? Here I have written this one, fully qualified domain name. Okay, fully qualified domain name. So what will happen? We can talk to this port service, okay, with the help of fully qualified domain name. Okay, so how we will get the qualified domain name, that I will show you. Okay, so basically here, first focus on this one, how this one is talking to each other. Okay, if see, directly this can't talk. Okay, if like this port Nginx port is available inside the namespace. Okay, this namespace, or and this namespace. Okay, so this will talk with the help of IP address. Okay, but if you want to communicate with the service, okay, that we will talk that there we will use fully qualified name. Okay, I will show you now. Okay, now we will see before
Okay,
that
so
one.
each pod is having one service, or maybe it will contain multiple services.
Each application having one service. Okay.
Not application. Here you said that one pod is having this service.
Oh, means you are telling about the pod. See,
Yeah.
these all are doing. See, whatever the suppose there is a single application. Suppose this is a application. Okay, so whatever the pod of this whatever the pod of this application, all are similar, not different. Okay, those all pod are similar only.
So each pod is having the same services.
Same services, correct.
Okay.
Whatever the
Only one services uh, one pod can contain.
yes, yes. Okay. So suppose this is one application and this one having like two, three replicas, four, five, six. Okay, maybe heavy application having 26, 30. Okay, likewise. Okay, this you will get. Now I will explain one by one. Okay, so first I will write something about the namespace. Okay, so that see, yesterday I think about the I already shown you one default namespace, right? What is that? Mhm. Okay. Yesterday we talked about the default namespace, right? So if you will check on in the cluster sudo, so if I want to show you the default namespace, what I should write here? kubectl get ports uh, hyphen a. Okay. Namespace. Okay. kubectl get namespace. Okay. See, if you will check the namespace, okay, with the help of kubectl get a namespace, you will see default namespace is there. Okay. So whatever you are creating the code till now, those all are going inside the default namespace. Okay, so that we already seen yesterday. I already saw. I think I already shown you. Okay, so now here namespace. See, in a K8s is a cluster, right? This is a cluster. Inside the cluster, this is the default namespace. Inside this cluster, you may create multiple namespace. Okay, multiple namespace. Whatever namespace you want, you can create it. Like if you want to create like 20 namespace, you can. 30 namespace you can. Okay, whatever the namespace you want, you can create it. Okay, so each namespace have a unique name. Okay, this should have unique name. Okay, like 20 namespace you created, those all 20 namespaces should have a unique name. Okay, now we will create one namespace here. Okay, now suppose, see here, these all are the namespace. Okay, suppose you want to see, I already told you guys that inside the namespace code will be available. What will available? Code will be available. Okay, so now if you will go inside, see, these all are what, these all are what, see, inside the cube system, this is the namespace. Okay, so now I want to see only the code inside this namespace, inside the cube system namespace. Okay, so how you can check that one? You can write kubectl get 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 all hyphen names namespace is equal to which one you want to see? Cube system. Okay, see, now here you are able to see. Okay, you are able to see whatever the code is available inside the cube system. Okay, those code only, those code are available only. See, those code are available only. Okay, those code are available only. Now, so right now I haven't created any namespace. So first we will create one namespace. Okay, so how we can create the new namespace? So you can write it as kubectl create namespace. Namespace you can write in short also or full also, like name a space. Okay, suppose our first namespace is what you want to add. What I have given there, log stage. Okay, so I will take here log stage. Suppose log stage, I have created the log stage namespace. You can create with any name. Okay, whatever you want to create the namespace. Okay, I you can create it. Okay, so this is the suppose log stage kubectl create namespace log stage. Now if you want to see the namespace, you can write kubectl get. In short you can write ns also. Okay, see now what happened. Okay, li left kubectl. See here where is created, see log stage, right? So log stage namespace is created. Okay, now I will create one more namespace here. Okay, so here this time I will write sort also, you can see namespace also you can write. So this time I will give log prod, right? Log prod. Okay, I will give here log prod. Okay, log prod. Okay, so two namespace I have created. So now you can check it. Kubectl get namespace. Okay, so now these two namespace or whatever the namespace is available here, those all will act as a directory. Okay, now Now, previously we have created the pod in the default namespace. Okay. Now we will create. Okay. Now we will create pod inside the particular namespace. Okay. So now, suppose I want to create a application. Okay. I want to deploy I want to deploy one application inside the log productions. Okay. So what we can do? Suppose one Nginx application is there. Okay, that I want to deploy in log prod. Okay. So what we can write? kubectl. Okay, kubectl. What we should give? Hyphen n. Okay, hyphen n. Then after the namespace. Okay, then after what you will take? Namespace. Okay, then after you can write here create. Okay, and what you are going to deploy one application. Okay, what you will do now? You are going to deploy one application. So here you will write deploy means what? Deploy means you are going to create one application. Okay, you are going to deploy your application on server. Okay, this is the cluster. Okay, or inside the log production namespace you are going to deploy one applications. So here we can write kubectl hyphen n. Then after the namespace name, then you can write the create, and you are going to deploy. That's why you are writing a deploy. Then after deployment name you have to give. Okay, deployment name. So Nginx application I'm going to create. Okay, so I will write the deployment file name is engine. Engine is correct. Engine X app, suppose. Okay, this is the deployment file name, Engine X app, and image you have to take. Then after you can create the port, right? So you can write the image. Okay, and which image I will take? Engine X. So I will write here Engine X column. Suppose latest I will take. Okay, latest. So I think this is clear to all guys, right? kubectl hyphen n. This is the namespace. Here we are going to create. Okay, create one deployment file. So here we are writing the deploy. Okay, then after the deployment name, whatever you want to give the name, you can write it here. Okay, then after the image name. Okay, so guys, this command is clear to all, or anyone having doubt on this? I am going to enter it.
Actually, Nginx hyphen app. This name is already existing, or right now only you have written.
No, no, just now I given it. Okay,
Okay.
this one, whatever you want to give. Okay, like Nginx one I can give. Okay,
Okay.
whatever you want to give. Okay, so I will write here app one. Okay,
Okay.
okay. So whatever the deployment file, you can give it. Okay, so I'm going to enter now. See, Nginx deployment.apps Nginx created means Nginx app deployment file is created. It means now I want to see the pod. Okay, so where our application is deployed? This application we deployed inside the log prod. Okay, inside the log prod namespace. So we can check it kubectl hyphen n. Then after the namespace. Okay, then after you can write get ports. Okay, see, container creating. So this is creating. Okay, inside the, see now, this is the pod, right? This is the pod, and this pod having some ID, particular ID, right? So, we will see how much time will take to create it. Okay, we can. Okay, suppose I want to describe this pod. So what I can write it here? Tell me, guys, what we can write? How we can describe this pod?
kubectl describe pod name.
kubectl
Describe.
namespace you should give, right?
Yeah, first name is space. Correct. Yeah,
Yeah,
we are
first
checking your
we
name
will
is
give
yeah, correct.
namespace.
Mm.
Okay, then after
This,
describe.
inside that we should describe the pod.
Pod, which pod? This pod.
This pod, yeah.
Pod we should write, right? Okay, it's started now. Okay, so I think now, sure. Again, we will check it, right? See, now it's running, right? Now this pod is running. I think this is clear to all. Anyone having doubt?
No, clear.
That's okay.
You can use a hyphen n or name a space after get pod also.
Sorry, what you want to write?
No, I'm telling you that you can also write kubectl get pod hyphen n and then namespace.
That also. See, better you should write the kubectl then after the namespace. Okay, that is that will clear to you. Okay, because whatever the namespace you should write in the first only. Okay, you can give means after that also. Okay, after get ports also you can write hyphen name namespace. That is for your preference. Okay, whatever you want you can write it. See, in kubernetes whatever the command you are going to apply na, so that will be like here and there. Okay, but that will work like same only. Okay. Okay,
Okay.
so now one pod I have created inside the which namespace, which namespace we have created
Log prod.
inside log prod. Now one more application I want to create inside the log stage. Okay, inside the log stage. Okay, so now I will yeah, tell me, guys, in same application. Okay, only you can give the different this one deployment file name. Okay, now tell me, guys, what I should write. I want to create one code inside the log stage. What I should write? kubectl. Yeah, guys.
kubectl hyphen n means name is space. Then
Then
we'll
after
create.
then after namespace,
Then we'll create or apply.
create. Spelling is wrong. No? CRE.
EATE.
Now correct.
CREATE. Correct.
Mhm. Okay, kubectl hyphen a n log stage create
Hmm.
deployment name.
Hmm.
Okay, deployment name, whatever you want to assign
Anything.
here. Here I will assign
Engine.
engine X app or this is a stage, right? So I will write here a stage.
Hmm.
Okay, and image I will take
Image engine X latest.
image is engine X latest. Okay, done. Now we will see here. So what I can write here? How we can see the code? kubectl hyphen n
kubectl hyphen name get pod.
namespace,
Hmm.
then after get ports, right?
Right.
Yeah. So see here also one pod is created. Okay, okay, guys.
Yeah. Then the both ports can be communicate. Sorry, both container can be communicate to each other.
Yes, this both pod will now. If you will see kubectl get um, get kubectl get. I want to see the all ports only. Okay, all namespace. Okay, kubectl get ports
Hyphen A.
all name spaces. kubectl get ports hyphen all namespaces. Okay, see, this is the namespace and this is the namespace. If you will see here, Nginx application, here also Nginx application, but both having different IDs, right?
Hmm.
And both are running. So if you will write here hyphen o wide
Wide,
hyphen o and wide, okay, then this will give you
IP
with the
address.
IP details. Okay, with the IP details. Okay,
Hmm.
so if you will see here, okay, see this one is with IP. And one more thing you can note it here. See, this code range is 1010. Okay, why this range is 1010? Anyone?
Yeah, while creating, we mentioned the only the this 10.0.0 hyphen
Yeah,
24.
when we have given this one, where we applied?
While creating the pods means
No, no. While creating the port, I haven't mentioned the port IP, right?
no, not this. Initially, the first day,
Uh,
uh, we mentioned, I believe.
Interviewer will ask you. This question is very, very important for the interview purpose. Okay.
Okay.
So how this range is assigned to the pod? Okay.
Mm.
This pod is assigned. I explained about the CIDR. Okay.
CIDR.
I think you guys are remember CIDR.
Mm.
Okay. CIDR is a concept, okay, where we are giving the range of pod. Okay. So in CIDR, whatever we will give the range, okay, that range, okay, in that range, pod IP will assign.
Mm.
I think while creating the network only you have given the subnet.
Right.
Yeah. See, CIDR is network only. Okay.
Oh,
CIDR is network only.
okay. Yeah.
Okay.
So if
In
you will not
when we are installing the Calico network, okay, there we used one CIDR. Okay.
yes,
So
yes,
the
we have used.
so inside Calico only we have created or we have assigned this port. Okay. That concept is called CIDR. Okay.
Yes.
While creating the network. Okay, that's why yeah, you can see the that code also means that namespace also Calico see Calico system.
Yes.
Okay, so that's why this range came here. Okay, now this range, okay, inside the same range all port will create, and with the help of this IP one port with another port can communicate. Okay. Okay. Now, I think this is clear to all, right?
Yeah.
Yes.
Okay. Now, now I want to check the logs. Okay, I want to see the logs of okay kubectl get namespace. Okay, I want to see the logs whatever the namespace namespace like log prog prod. Okay, whatever the pod is inside the log prod, I want to see the logs of one particular pod inside the namespace log prod. So how we can check it? Tell me guys, how we can check the logs of whatever the pod is
Cube,
available in? Yes,
kubectl describe.
kubectl, kubectl hyphen n. First I will write the
Hyphen and namespace.
yes,
Then pod name. No, describe and then pod name.
no, only you have to write, you want to see the logs, right? So logs hyphen f means follow, okay? Hyphen f means follow. So what we will follow? Okay. First we have to check the pod, right? So first we will go inside the whatever the pod is available, that we will check first.
We could
So
mention the pod name here, right?
hmm, yes, that's why I'm checking the pod name, because this is the namespace, right? I want to see the pod name. So kubectl hyphen n hyphen n get pods. So this is the pod, right? I want to see the logs. So now you can use this command here, hyphen f, and then after what you are giving, pod name. Okay, this will give you the logs of this pod. Okay, here, see, logs came, right? Clear, guys?
Yes.
Okay, clear. Now, okay, this is clear.
So if we will not give the pod name, will it describe the all pod details, or like the first come first serve they will describe?
So you want to describe what you want to describe?
If we will not give the pod name,
Okay,
simply we are using the same command, not give the pod name.
means what you will write here, kubectl hyphen log prod describe.
Yes.
This will describe, what will describe this one? You must specify the type of resource and describe what you want to describe.
Okay. Like we have to
Any
mention
resource?
pod name.
Okay. Mhm. Okay.
So both pods can communicate to each other. Means inside the pod we can just try to ping others. Is it possible, right?
Yeah. I will show you ping. Okay, I will show you. Okay, I will show you. Okay, so we will see now pinging. Okay, how means this one is communicating or not.
Hmm.
Okay, how we can check it? Okay, how we can check it?
First
So
we
now,
go in.
if we will go inside the pod,
Hmm.
right? Inside the pod, then after only we can check these both are communicating to each other or not,
Yes,
right?
right. Correct.
So okay, we will go inside the pod, right? So how we can go inside the pod?
Execute
I
command.
will here I will open two windows now, okay? Because then after we will able to see, right? Okay. This one, I will close that one first. Where that one? Okay, this one. Okay, I will open duplicate. Now we want to see the how one pod is communicating to each other. Okay, that we want to see. So two windows. Okay, two CLI open for the same server. Okay, both are the master. Now we have created two namespace here. Okay, so first here we will type kubectl get namespace. Okay, So first we will go inside the pod available inside the log prod namespace. Okay. So kubectl get pods. Sorry, we can write kubectl hyphen n, then after namespace pod. Okay, and here we will type kubectl. Oh, sorry, sudo. Okay, so here also we will go kubectl hyphen n. I will go now. Here we went in log prod. Here we will go in log stage. Get pods. Okay. Now here we will go inside the pod now. Okay, so how we can go inside the pod? Tell me, guys.
kubectl
Cubes.
exec
Hmm?
ex
kubectl hyphen n
hyphen n
First namespace, yeah.
space
namespace. Then after
exec
execute hyphen
it
it. Then after
pod name.
pod name. So what is the pod name? This one, right? Then after what I should write here? Bean bias, right? Bean
Yes.
bias. Okay. Then after we can go inside the pod. Okay. Yeah. So now we are inside the pod, right? Here also we can go inside the pod. Tell me, guys, here kubectl
Hyphen n log
Hyphen n
stage.
hyphen n
log stage
log stage
execute
execute
hyphen it
hyphen it
then
and pod name.
pod
Then after hyphen
name
bean bash. Okay. Yeah. So now two namespace and we are in different namespace and different pod. Okay. Right.
Hmm.
So now okay. Before that one we need to check IP also, right?
Yeah, IP config, yeah.
Then after we can ping now.
Yes, IP config we can use.
IP already there available, right?
Yes.
For log prod, this IP is available, right?
Yeah, 77, 78, yeah. Two IPs.
77 and 78.
Hmm.
Correct, no?
Hmm.
Okay. Control.
Prod 77 है तो 78 यहाँ ट्राई कर सकते हैं.
This one is log prod. Here we can try which one?
78.
You can write curl, okay?
Hmm.
78 here we can type.
Yes.
Okay. 78. Okay. Enter it. See, here we are able to access the Nginx from this IP.
Hmm. Correct. Yeah.
Okay. And here curl, what IP here I should mention?
77.
77. See, welcome to the Nginx. We are able to access the Nginx from this port and this port.
Yeah, the cross communication is done.
So cross communication is done, right?
Yes.
yes.
Clear, guys?
Yeah.
Yes.
We can
No
ping.
confusion.
We can ping the IP address as well if internet is working inside that, right?
Ping you need to install, no? I don't know ping.
IP address we need to install it. Yeah.
So no need to install.
Okay. It is okay.
See, ping is not available. Okay, inside the pod, ping is not available. Okay.
Yeah.
So
Inside the Even ping or IP config, none, both of the command is it is not available.
Will not available. No, it will not.
Right.
See, means this pod is like a container only, okay, and that is the smallest unit. And for the fast working, nothing is available. Okay, whatever the required, that things only available. Okay,
Mm-hmm.
that's why.
Yes.
Okay, I think this is clear to all,
Mm-hmm.
right? Now, right now we have only one pod. Okay, right now how many pod we have? One pod. Now I want to scale it. Now I want to create two pod or three pod for single applications. Okay, so first we will exit. How we will exit? You have to type exit so that you will be okay. What I've done, whatever done, right? Yeah. Okay. So now I want to create kubectl. Here I will type kubectl. Okay, one more thing. See, in a starting, we have created the pod with the help of deployment, right? So, how we can check the deployment? So, you can write it here kubectl, kubectl hyphen n, whatever the deployment file inside the particular namespace. Okay, so where is the namespace? Log prod. So, we can check the name. Deployment file. Okay, kubectl hyphen n get deploy. To see the deployment file, you can write kubectl hyphen n whatever inside the log prod, whatever application you will create. Okay, those all having a particular deployment file name. Okay, so whatever application you will create later. Okay, those all having a unique deployment file name. Okay, so here kubectl hyphen n log prod get deploy. If you will write, see here, this is the deployment we have given, right? Deployment file name, this one we have given, right?
Yes, yes.
And now here, right, one more, right? kubectl hyphen n log stage only I have, no? Log stage namespace. Get,
Logist, yeah.
yeah, see here we have given the nginx stage deployment file name. Okay, so with the help of this deployment file only, we have created the pod. Okay. So now with the help of this deployment file, you can increase or decrease the number of pod, means replicas. Okay. So here you can write, suppose I want to create two more pod. Okay. And here whatever the replicas you will give, that much pod will create. Okay, okay, so what I will give here, kubectl hyphen n, then after where this is log prod, right? Log prod. Okay, here I want to scale. Okay, replica, replicas, spelling is replicas. Here I want to create three pod. Okay, okay, then after you have to get the deployment file name. Deployment file name is what?
The next step one.
Nginx. Okay, okay, 1 minute. Before creating, I want to describe. Okay, I want to describe code. I want to see what is inside the Nginx app deployment file. Okay, so how we can describe. Okay, what happened? kubectl hyphen log kubectl hyphen in logplot describe deployment, right? Deploy. Yes. See here. What you can see here? See here details about the deployment file. Okay, your deployment file. Okay, so what you are able to see? Deployment file name. Which name inside which name space this deployment file is available? Logprod. When you created. Okay, what is the label name? Okay, and which version one? Okay, and this is the selector. Selector means what? This is the deploy file name. Okay, and here see image is this one port we haven't assigned yet. Okay, later I will assign the port also. Okay, I will show you host port environment. These things we haven't mentioned. Okay, I will we will assign those all things. Okay, later I will assign all things. Okay, so this will give the details about your deployment file. Okay, you can describe your deployment file also. Okay, now we are going to create what we have written there. Sorry. Okay, yes. So here how many replicas will create?
Three.
Guys tell me.
Three.
Replicas 3 means what?
Second, third option.
Hmm?
Three. It will be create three.
What will create?
This is a sorry, images container.
Code will create. Okay, here we have mentioned
Okay, yeah, correct,
hyphen as a
correct.
replica, 3 pod will create. Right now
Mm-hmm.
we have 1 pod only. Okay, 1 pod only. So I'm going to create here 3 pod for the same application. Okay,
Okay.
clear guys? Now enter it. Okay, now we will see what we can add. kubectl get pod.
It was
See,
three.
one is creating and one is already created.
Hmm.
Again,
Three different ports having three different IP address will be there, right?
yes. Okay, this is still not created. Okay, wait for some times. Okay, we'll create.
It is taking time to create it.
Mhm. Okay, what happened? See, if you will delete this one, I want to delete this port. Okay,
Hmm.
so we already mentioned in the deployment file like 3 replicas. Okay, so when we will delete this port, again this will start to create. Okay,
Yes.
okay, okay. So what I will do kubectl delete pod.
This one only. It's deleted.
Just deleting. Okay, this server worker node is working or not. Okay, okay. Due to infra issue only, this is happening. Okay. kubectl get parts. See, one is terminating, right?
Hmm.
One is terminating and one is creating,
Yeah.
right?
Hmm.
We will wait for some time. Okay, meanwhile, what I will do,
Some other parts we can create.
inside this namespace we can create, okay? Okay, meanwhile, I will create here. So, what the command? Okay, so here we can change the log prod to what? Log stage, no?
Log stage, it is logged by the place of log
And
prod.
here the deployment file name is nginx stage.
Log stage.
Okay, here we will see get ports. One is running, two are creating. Yes. Yeah, one is created. Here created or not. Okay. One time I will shut down the server and I will restart. Okay, so maybe
Loading
this
is slow.
uh, master is this one. No? Okay, I will close. Okay, and I will restart again. Okay. Okay. Sudo. So, okay. kubectl kubectl hyphen n. Yeah, guys, tell me log prod, right? Git prod. Okay, till now it's terminating.
And it's creating as well.
Mhm. I think worker node also I should restart.
Hmm. Both worker node is stopped, right?
Mhm.
The loading is more only the master, that's why.
Correct. kubectl hyphen n log stage, right? Log stage get. Okay, here also. Okay, I will restart the worker node server as well. See, whenever we are restarting the worker node, what is happening there internally? They are trying to check with worker node 30 second. Okay, they will try to hit. Okay, that the server came or not, came or not, came or not. Okay, kubelet work is there. Okay, then after our pod will create. Okay, now check it. First, this master node will connect with worker node. Okay, then after, oh my god, still it's same format. Okay, and here what? Here also same. Okay, then what we can do here? I will delete the deployment file. Okay, and I will recreate it. Okay,
Okay.
kubectl logged delete deployment. Delete deployment file. What is the deployment file?
Log stage, I think.
No, no. Uh, kubectl
Mm,
get deployed.
Deployment file
This one is for this one. Okay, so first I will delete this one.
or engine access stage, second one, I believe.
This one only, right? So kubectl -n.
Mm.
This should create actually, but I don't know. It's because of resource only. Um, One more thing we can do. We can reduce the replica. Okay. kubectl. Uh, Again, I will scale it. Okay, what will happen? We will see.
Mm.
Okay, so what we can write kubectl -n log prod scale replicas replicas is equal to I will give 2. Okay, deploy. Okay, then now we will check the ports. Okay, now here it's showing ready and terminating.
Mm.
Okay, this will terminate. 12 minute, from 12 minute it's showing like terminate but not terminated yet. So we can describe it, what happened actually. I have
Now
connected.
you use the pod means replica, so it will automatically delete.
It will automatically delete, but I don't know why not deleting. Okay, because of some network issue, or means because of some infra level issue. Okay, because infra means this cluster having not more resource. Okay, maybe.
Yeah.
One, so one more thing, we can check the command. Okay, kubectl hyphen log prod top top. We can give or okay, whatever unknown command log prod top. Okay, top top pod. Hmm. Not found. I think deleted. Oh, it's terminated. Okay, I will describe now. Describe. See, still node is not ready.